Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi if you're new, my name is Brenda. So today's video is going to be a review on Dior Skin Glow. So it is a new foundation from them. This is the packaging, how it looks. And then here's how the actual bottle itself looks like. Okay guys, so I am in the shade 3WO and it is warm olive. So the claim on this foundation is it will last you 24 hours, is medium to full coverage. It is a natural looking, so it's more on the dewy glowy side, but it will grab to some of your dry patches. The foundation claims that it has lasting hydration and it has SPF 35, which is good for your skin. And then you know what's really cool? It tells you when the expiration date is on this foundation. So it's September 2019. So that's really cool. It says it all the way in the bottom, but you can't see it. So I don't know if I did go ahead and state, but this foundation does retail for $52. So it is up there in price. But let me just tell you, I thought I had found my all-time favorite foundation, and no. This is my all-time favorite foundation. This makes your skin look so damn beautiful. It really does. It gives you that glow without being overly glow. One thing I want to point out is they say it can be for all skin types. So oily, combination, dry. I wouldn't say that. If you're an oily bitch, this ain't for you because you will get very dewy like by the end of the night depending on what time you put this on. But if you're on the dry area, or if you're a bitch like me and you're more on the combination area, combo skin, sorry, this will work perfect for you. And let me tell you, this has changed everything for me. So usually my problem areas because lately I've been having some skin issues, it's been right here and on my cheeks. Can't really tell, and a little bit on my chin, and all my other foundations, Anastasia, L'Oreal, Estee Lauder, NARS, they all look very cakey and really bad on my skin. Even like the dewy ones that I have that are the L'Oreal and the Anastasia of Beverly Hills. They look very cakey on me, and they don't look fresh, and sometimes they make my skin itch a little. I don't have sensitive skin, but they just make my skin itch a little. But this foundation doesn't do that to me. It doesn't break me out. It doesn't make me look overly oily. It actually controls my oils without me having to set the foundation or anything like that. Like I stated, this is $52, but I can already tell you it is worth the $52. One negative thing I would say is it has a very strong perfumey floral scent. So if you have very sensitive skin or just sensitive at all skin, your skin won't like this. Or if you're like, you just break out because of from any like scents that maybe products have, I wouldn't recommend this to you because it is heavily scented. It doesn't last all day. It does go away within the 5 minutes after you've worn it. Some of the ingredients the foundation has is called Pansy Extract Hydration Booster. So it helps prevent the skin from drying, leaving it soothed and looking smoother and more radiant. This also has rose hip extract. This is the star ingredient in their Dior Forever because it helps protect skin from external aggressors and reduces the appearance of pores. Now I do have to say with this one, it doesn't enlarge my pores or it doesn't exaggerate my pores. It just makes it look like I have a smooth skin, and I get compliments from this because people are like, oh my gosh, your skin looks so good. What foundation are you using? So it is the Dior 24-hour Skin Glow, and I really love this one. I really don't have anything negative to say besides the odor. If that like nauseates you, or if you, like I said, you have very sensitive skin, then yeah, this isn't one for you. But overall, I personally love this foundation like a lot. This gets 10 daisy heads, of course, because I just love it so much. Just like I said, sometimes I'll grab to weird dry patches, so just make sure before you apply the foundation you go ahead and moisturize, and you should do that anyways because it's good for your skin overall. But yeah guys, that's all I have for you today. I definitely, like I said, recommend this foundation. It is my top foundation now. Like literally, I haven't set anything and my skin looks perfect. Oh, one more thing, sorry. This, for some reason, looks exactly like my skin tone. It is the most crazy thing because I have never found a foundation that actually matches my own skin tone. It's always a little bit too yellow or a little bit too on the pink side or whatever, but this is perfect for me. This is literally perfection for me. So I would definitely recommend this to you guys. Like I already said, I give it 10 daisy heads, and that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys like the review, and I hope you guys go to Sephora and ask for a tester with your skin color and see how you like it, and then if you do like it or if you don't, go ahead and comment that down below. But yeah guys, as always, have yourself a great day. Add me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe and share this video so our community keeps on growing. But yeah guys, have a wonderful day. Bye.